Did you know the best thing about being a trader is that you get to make money the same day you trade? You can actually get money from it. So listen, some people go to work every day. They work a 9 to 5 all day, every day because they're looking to retire. They're looking to learn a new skill set. But they have to remember that when they're working their regular 9 to 5, they guess what? Someone else is signing their paycheck. So if you can be your own business person, your own businessman, your own businesswoman, you can make money in minutes, seconds, or even within hours. You can get the money the same day. Would you still continue to go to work from a 9 to 5 to support somebody else's dreams, visions, and goals? I don't think so. So listen, guys, I am with XTreamFX Global Academy, and the best thing about being part of this amazing community is that they teach me a skill set that I can always eat for life. There will always be food on my table because we are decentralized, because we're global, and guess what? Because there's no age limit. You can be a part of this amazing common unity. Take advantage of something because every time that you sign your timesheet, they're just bribing you for a salary. So you can get your dreams and remember more of theirs. So XtreamFX Global Academy, guys, is the best place on the planet, and you should take a look to see how this opportunity can amazingly change your life. Guess what? I don't have to get up and go to work in the morning because XtreamFX is showing me a skill set that I will always have food on my table. Have a great and amazing rest of your life until you decide to become a part of my amazing organization. Look at this. Amazing. You too can be extreme.